Assalamualaikum everybody. In this video series we will discuss Latex, how to work with Latex. Latex is a powerful application to create high quality documents. It uses markup language to create Word documents and these documents are used in PDF file. First time Latex was used in mathematics and computer science because mathematics and computer science uses complex type of equation and algorithms, and it will be difficult to manage these complex type of algorithms and equation in any ordinary Word file. But after the popularity of the Latex, now it is used in academia to write different type of scientific papers. It is also used to write the books and especially the poetry books. The benefit of the Latex is that it especially manages the headings, the chapters numbers, and especially the reference number. Because if you manage the reference numbers in ordinary Word file, for example Microsoft Office, and you want to change its style, then you will rewrite again to change the style. And if you want to change any particular position of the references, then once again you will change the whole Word file. But in Latex, it automatically manages all these things, and if you want to change the style, you will simply use the single keyword to change the style. And if you want to change any particular references, then all the changes will be automatically made into the whole file. So how to work with Latex? You will need three files. You will need three applications. The first one is the Latex editor, and you may download it from this website. The second one is the Latex, which is the Latex, and you may download it from this website. And the third one is the Jab references, which manage the references. It stores the references according to the requirement. So let's start to download these files. This is the Texanic Center, texaniccenter.org. download, and from download you may download it here according to your system specification. And this is the magtax.org/downloads, and you may download it from here according to your system specification. And to download Jab references, you may go to foshub.com, jabreference.html, and you may download it from here according to your system specification. Okay, we have completed to download all these three files. Now we are going to install it. First I'm going to install the Latex editor. Okay, click on next. You have to accept the agreement, and I'm going to change the installation location because I have limited space in C, so I'm going to install it in F. Okay, next, and programs. Okay, I'm also creating a start folder. Okay, next. You have to simply click on next. I'm not going to launch this software at this time. Okay, I'm clicking on finish. Now I'm going to install the magtax file. You have to accept the agreement and simply click on next. If you want to allow every user to use this application, so click on anyone. After that, click next. And if you want to change the location, due to limited space, I change the location. Next, and after that you have to select the output paper, because I will use this for thesis and especially for research paper. So I have selected A4. And how you will install the packages. If there are some missing packages, or if you are going to use any new package, then it will automatically install the new package. It will first ask to you. Okay, next, and start the installation. It will take little time in the installation because it is a heavy file, about 1 GB. Simply click on next and it is installed. Okay, after that I will install the job reference. It's installing. It's a light application. Next, and if you want to change the location, next and next. Okay, it is installed. Okay, thank you so much for watching. In our next videos we will discuss in detail how to work with latex. Thank you so much for watching.